Hello everyone, welcome to Gymboree and Music Myanmar. I'm teacher Thiri and now I'm gonna make very delicious, easy to make, non-oven strawberry cake. Looks yummy. And all we need is a very simple ingredient. We need bread. And I already cut the strawberry. And we need the whipped cream, and if you like the chocolate flavor you can use the chocolate syrup, and don't forget the sprinkle. Your baby will love it. Okay, and let's get started and I will show you how to make very easy one. Okay, so all we need is bread. So before we put it on the plate, we need to make the cake bowl with a little bit of whipped cream. I'm gonna spread first. Okay, to make it stay. Okay, I'm gonna put my first layer of cake. Top. Don't forget to wash hands. Okay, and I'm gonna do more whipped cream in the middle. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna spread the cream. And let me put some strawberry. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, the strawberry in the middle. It's gonna be so nice. Okay, as much as I can. Okay, will be so nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna cover up with one more layer of bread. Okay, and then spread more whipped cream. You can do with the whipping cream, and if you have a machine or if you can mix by yourself, it's also you can do it, but this is more easier. Okay, oops, sorry. Shake it before you spread it. It will be so nice. Okay, cover it up again. Okay, now I'm gonna spread the second layer. Okay, cream first, and then you can put strawberry as much as you want. I'm gonna do this direction. I'll put 6 strawberry slices. Okay, and then I'm gonna add one more. Okay, and gonna spread. I'm gonna do 4 layers. Okay, very nice cream. Cover it up. Don't forget to shake it before you use it. And we're gonna spread again. Okay, and put the strawberry. Okay, I'm gonna use 4 this time. Okay, this is gonna be the last part. Okay, when you're done, you can press a little bit. And okay, this is gonna be the final touch. I'm gonna use the last whipping cream on top, and boom, spread a little bit, and then I'm gonna add very nice strawberry on top. And you can add some chocolate syrup on the side like this. This is gonna be a chocolate cake. Oops, sorry. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is my DIY strawberry cake and very easy to make. It only takes 10 minutes to do it. It looks so yummy and nice, but it's messy around here, but it's okay. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.